Friends, good morning. As we discussed last videos, okay, I think video is not clear. That's why I am going to revise one more time all the things. Okay, just here in this case, which topic I started? Organic chemistry. That is first topic. Some basic principles and techniques. Okay. Before this topic, we know some of the fundamental points. Fundamental points means compulsory we know the periodic table. At least you have to know compulsory 30 for PUC first year, second year compulsory you know entire periodic table. Just I am going to write the periodic table here. Okay. First element in the periodic table is what? Hydrogen. The second one is what? Helium is there. Next third one is what? Lithium. Beryllium is there. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine. Next one is what? In this case neon. Next after that in this case sodium, magnesium. Next one is what? Aluminium, in this case silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine. Next one is what? Argon. Next in this case potassium, calcium, in this case what? Boron, aluminum, in this case gallium is there. Okay. Next after that in this case what? Rubidium. Next one is what? Cesium, in this case strontium, this is what? Barium. Boron, aluminum, gallium, in this case what? Indium. Next one is what? Thallium. Next two elements are there, one is what? Francium, another one is what? Radium. Do not worry about these two. Next after that carbon, silicon is there, in this case germanium. Next in this case what? Germanium is there, tin. Next one is what? Lead is there. Next nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. Next one is what? Antimony, bismuth. Oxygen, sulfur, cellurium, tellurium. Next one is what? Polonium. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Okay. Next one is helium, neon, argon. Next one is in this case what? Krypton is there, xenon is there. Next one is what? Radon is there. Okay. Just here after that the D block elements is there. Next one is what? F block elements is there. F block is having a lanthanoids and next one is what? Actinoids. So, just here in this case this point, this one is indicate what? S block elements, this is indicate what? P block elements. This is what? P block, this one is what? P, this is what? S block. S means what? Sharp elements, this P means what? Principal elements. In this case this organic compound in older days means what? The living things they called as a organic chemistry. Okay. But nowadays organic chemistry is entirely depends on what? Carbon compounds. Carbon means indirectly hydrocarbon compounds. Okay. Just here this hydrogen atomic number is 1, compulsory you know the atomic number. Okay. This is helium is what? 2. Next this is what? Lithium is 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon most important for organic chemistry, that is what? Carbon. Next one is what? In this case nitrogen atomic number 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10. Go on writing. Okay. You will get a atomic number. Okay. This is what? Atomic number of carbon is what? 6. This is what? Periodic table of what? S block elements and P block elements. Just here basic points. Basic points means before this topic we are going to deal, we know very well about that electronic configuration of some of the elements. Just here this is carbon, atomic number is what? 6. What is the electron configuration of carbon? 1s2, 2s2, next one is what? 2p2. You have studied in 8th, 9th, 10th class, it is there, no? Electron configuration of what? Carbon. Just here in this case this 1s2, next one is this one is indicate what? Slash. This 1s2 is never involved any of the chemical reaction, bear in mind. That is why what I wrote this slash is indicate this 1s2 is never involved in any of the chemical reaction, because of 1s2 is very close to nucleus, there is a force of attraction is very hard. That is why in this case what happened? 1s2 is never involved. After that what? 2s2, 2p2. Just here what is the valency of what? Carbon, valency of carbon is 4. How are we going to say carbon is having a 4 valency? Just here in this case outermost orbital is 2s2, 2p2. Just here in this case how we are going to find out the outermost orbital? Here is 2 is there, no? Here is 2 is there, no? That is why this one is indicate what? Outermost orbital. Just I am going to write an example. In this case 3s2 is there. After that what? 4p6 like this is there. This is not a outermost electronic configuration, because of in this case 3 is there, in this case 4 is there. Only in this case important point is what, that is called what, 2s2 2p2. Okay, both the s orbital and p orbital containing what, same. Next, just here 2 plus 2 is what, 4, the valency of carbon is what, 4. That is why our basic, the basic compound means, that is basic formula is CH4 is there, no. Okay, this carbon containing how many hydrogen, 4, just here in this case 1 hydrogen, this is 2 hydrogen, this is what, 3 hydrogen, this is what, 4 hydrogen is there. Okay, that is why in this case carbon containing 4 bond. Why carbon is going to containing 4 bond? Because of valency. The entire this bond is depends on what, valency, depend hydrogen. How hydrogen can form how many bonds, tell me, only one, because of what, for example just here HCl is there, no, the hydrogen can formation only one bond, but carbon can formation how many bonds, 4 bonds, because of valency is what, 4. Bear in mind 5 bond will not come, 3 bond will not come, only in this case 4 bonds will come 100%. This is in just here, in this case carbon is there, in this case what, hydrogen is there. In this case there is a formation of what, a sigma bond. Just here I will tell you later what is a sigma and what is a pi bond. Just here head to head overlapping is there, that is what, sigma. Side by side overlapping is there, that is called what, a pi. In this case sigma is there, in this case sigma, in this case sigma, in this case sigma. How many sigmas are there? 4 sigmas are possible. Okay, this is what basic fundamental of what, this carbon. Okay, initially we know very about the periodic table, and next one is what, electron configuration of what, carbon. Hydrogen electron configuration is what, 1s1. Outermost orbital indicate what, only one atom is there, no, that is indicate what, outermost orbital. Okay, that is indicate valency. Next in this case organic chemistry. Okay, some basic principle is there. Organic, what is organic? They are going to ask you what is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry means what, carbon compounds are called what, organic chemistry. In older days organic compounds are prepared in what, naturally. Okay, not in a laboratory. Okay, that is why in this case after most important point is what, that is urea. Okay, urea starting material. Urea is a first organic compound prepared in a laboratory. Okay, how we are going to prepare urea? With the help of what, ammonium cyanate. This ammonium cyanate in the presence of what, heat. Okay, heat is represented by what, delta. You have to write delta or a heat. There is a formation of product is what, this is NH2 C double bond O, next one is what, NH2. What is the name of this one is what, urea. What is the name of this one is what, urea. This is the what, first organic compound. Okay, this ammonium cyanate is converted into urea. What is the name of this one, ammonium cyanate. Okay, ammonium cyanate. Okay, who did this one? Prendtlich Oehler. His scientist name is what? Prendtlich Oehler. He is going to take a first starting material is ammonium cyanate. Ammonium cyanate is converted into urea. This urea is the first organic compound. This question is also asked in Karnataka CET. Okay, one time. Okay, this is what, urea. After that means what, ancient days what, the organic compounds are prepared only naturally. But after this Prendtlich Oehler has prepared the urea is a laboratory, that is why that theory is going to what, failed. Okay, this is what important point. Okay. Next after that, what, this is having the inorganic properties. Inorganic property, carbon and hydrogen is in general having the inorganic properties. Okay, that inorganic property most important. I am going to write that point also. Inorganic property is there. Okay, that is inorganic properties indicate what, 2 moles of carbon, this can react with what, hydrogen. Okay, there is a formation of product. There is a formation of product is what, that is HC, in this case what, triple bond. After that they are going to add a dilute H2SO4 mercury sulfate, they are going to maintain what, 65 degree Celsius. There is a formation of product is what, this is CS3CHO aldehyde. After what happen in this case, oxidation takes place. There is a formation of product is what, CS3COOH. What is the name of this one? The name of this one is what, acetic acid. What is the name of this one is acetic acid. Okay, just here in this case these two having a what, inorganic properties like carbon and hydrogen. Carbon is the organic compound, but this in this case particularly what, inorganic properties. With the help of the inorganic properties they are going to prepare this acetic acid. What is the name of this one? The name of this one is what, ethine. You know very well about that, ethine. YNE. Because why you are going to call it as a ethane? Because of carbon carbon triple bond. Carbon carbon single bond you called alkane, you know, basic. Okay, carbon carbon single bond, this is what? Alkane. Next one is what? Carbon carbon double bond, that is called what? Alkene. Next one is what? Carbon carbon triple bond, that is called what? Alkyne. YNE. In this case also what? YNE, that is what? Ethine is there. Okay. Next in this case this is converted into, just you have to add H2SO4, mercury sulphate, and next one is what? You have to write here H2SO4. Next one is what? Mercury sulphate. Next they are going to maintain 65 degrees Celsius temperature. There is a formation of product is what? This is aldehyde. CS3CHO indicate what? Aldehyde group. Okay, that is called what? In this case ethyl aldehyde. After that what? Oxidation, there is a formation of product is what? Acetic acid. In this case what is oxidation in organic chemistry? I will tell you trick, very simple. How many oxygens are there? 1 oxygen. How many oxygens are there? 2 oxygen. In this case increase in the number of oxygen, that is indicate what? Oxidation. Okay, this is what indicate acetic acid. Thank you friends.